Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Lightning headphones use a digital Lightning connection that Android does not natively support. Android phones typically use USB-C or a 3.5 jack for audio output and signaling. To use Lightning headphones, you need a compatible adapter or an external DAC that converts Lightning to USB-C or 3.5 analog. Some adapters include built-in digital-to-analog conversion for power and controls. Check your Android version and phone model for OTG audio support before buying any adapter. Choose a Lightning to USB-C adapter that includes a built-in DAC for proper digital audio conversion. Alternatively, choose a Lightning to 3.5 solution that provides Lightning female plus DAC or an external converter box. Inspect adapter specs for audio codec support like AAC, SBC, and aptX. Expect third-party adapters to cost between $0 and $0 depending on features and brand. Read product descriptions for power pass-through, microphone support, and inline control compatibility with Android. Connect the Lightning headphones to the chosen adapter, then plug the adapter into your Android phone. If audio does not play, reboot the phone and enable OTG or USB audio in settings. Test the adapter with another USB-C audio device to isolate hardware issues. If inline controls or microphone fail, try an app that manages USB audio routing or enable developer USB audio options. For persistent problems, use a powered DAC or return the adapter for a unit with confirmed Android compatibility.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.